Right, ladies and gentlemen, today I'm John Gardner and we're going to do a very, very simple mint yoghurt sauce. It is an Asian style delicacy. So I've got the fat-free natural yoghurt because, as you can tell, I'm on the diet. I'm going to put about half of this container in there. I'm going to use about 250 grams of this, which is about 50%. Maybe a little bit more than I should have used there, to be quite honest. So it's dead simple, this one. Real easy, can't fail. Some nice squeezy honey. Clear squeezy honey as well. Good squirt. This just makes it sweet. So depending how sweet you like it, depending how sweet you actually like your mint yogurt sauce, and trial and error, you know, you will amend it accordingly. Paprika, ground paprika. But this is quite an earthy taste to it, so just be very, very careful, because it can have a bitter twang as well. That's it, just like a little bit over top there, but it gives it a lovely, lovely red texture and colour when you serve it, and it just it gives a hint to the yogurt. It takes the crystal clear whiteness to it. Lemon. Now, fresh lemon is better. But I'm going to use this cheap lemon, which is just like a Jif lemon juice. So just again, it's quite bitter and earthy, so just a little bit. That's it. Lovely jubbly. There we go. And the mint. This is where I feel people go extremely wrong, because when I've tried it and been a guest elsewhere, it seems to be like really, really green and over minted. But you know, the trick to it, really, if I'm totally honest, is just to use probably half a teaspoon at the very, very most per 250 milligrams. So now we go in, and that's it. We'll give it a good stir, and hopefully you'll see where we get to. Now, after you've stirred it in, it's probably best to let it sit for about 20 to 30 minutes before you use it. It just allows it all to sit and sort of mix together, and you get these tremendous lovely colours out of it. So you get the green from the mint, and you get the texture and the sweetness from the honey, and the paprika just gives it that hint of colour. It's just the flick. It's just beautiful. It's lovely. Now, some people add fresh onion to it as well, maybe a bit of red onion, really finely diced and chopped, gives it a bit of texture. But I like to leave it raw, and I tend to dip maybe tikka king prawns in it, or a chicken tikka, marinated tikka style lamb chops, anything that's char grilled off the barbecue that needs to be accompanied by a tikka. This is just outstanding. I can refer to the chops later and show you, but it's just literally oil, mint, salt and pepper to create this marinade in a seal bag. If you put the oil, the mint, salt and pepper in there, and give it probably about an hour and 20 minutes, they'll go this lovely reddish colour. So we've got our skewers down here, and we're going to cook these a little bit different today as well. We're going to do them on the grill without the grill bars. So we're going to pretty much do them over the naked flames. So I'll just put my bag to one side, and to skewer them, now these are miniature lamb chops, which I love because there's a lot of bone, there's not a lot of meat, but they come out stunningly tender, and they're nice and tight to put on the skewer. You just want a couple or else 3 onto the skewer. See, and be careful not to cut yourself, because the skewers, if you get some good skewers, absolutely ridiculously razor sharp. And that's it. That's what you're looking for. But don't take the fat off them. You need to leave a little bit of fat on the top. Bring it in like that so you can see. Can you see the pattern there? Absolutely stunning. These are going to be magnificent. Right. So we're going to do the chicken skewers that's going to that we're going to dip into the yogurt sauce we made earlier. Okay. Now I actually made these, and you can hear them round the table, you know, enjoying themselves, whilst I'm yet again slaving away at the barbecue, as always. But so I'll just unwrap these. Now, details how we make these will be posted later. But these are the chicken kebabs we've made. So I'm just going to explain to you what I've actually done on the grill. So the grill, we'll stack the coals in order so that you can actually use half of the barbecue. So it's like an offset. So we've got all the heat at this side. Oh, and it's fantastic. But we've taken the grate out. We've taken the actual barbecue grill off, because if you try and cook skewers in chicken, particularly on the grill, what tends to happen is your meat sticks to the grill. So the best thing to do is get rid of the grill. Now most people actually place the skewers on top of the grill, whereas today what we're going to do is we're going to use the coals. So watch, see how we get on. Here we go. Here we go with this first first few skewers. And we actually do this pretty much like the Indians use the tandoori clay oven, which we have in the back as well. But we'll demonstrate that on a later date. So now we've got us five chicken tikka skewers on, and you'll obviously see that they will not stick because there's nothing to stick to, ironically, and I will accompany it with a sauce. Oh wow! Oh, that was just getting the edge on it there. So I'm thinking a couple more minutes, and we'll be taking these off. So just shut it down. So here we are. Oh, look at this now. It just falls off. Absolutely lovely. What a delight. Now, here we go. Oh, look at them. Absolutely delicious, these. So here are the chops we've had on for about 15 to 20 minutes now. So it's time to plate up. Let's see if the guests are hungry. Come on, let's see if the guests are hungry. Are you hungry, guests?
Yes.
Yeah, sorry?
Starving. Yeah.
Starving, always. Right, can we just have a little bit of space on here? Now we've got a few more lamb chops on there, as you'll be happy to know, Lee. So, but these are the star of the show this evening, guys.
Very nice.
So,
You're supposed to be doing it. Mogwai. Hello, my DMs.
there you are. So thank you for watching, and next time when we see you, we'll be showing you the marinades that made the chicken. We'll be showing you actually how to do the lamb chops, how we made the marinade. Obviously you've seen the tips with the bricks on the barbecue there, and there's lots more to come, guys. Take care. Here we go then now. So down on the skewers then. So start down there, because I want you to start on the skewers, not with me fucking clapping. I'm burning these now. Don't put on, I'm burning these. Right. Okay, thank you.